Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to my MS Access 2015 tutorial. And this lesson we'll be talking about farm formatting basics. We'll start with an introduction to controls. As the word control is still new for you, there are controls that we use in the farms. We'll resizing those controls. We'll be moving those controls. Introduction to layouts, adding, deleting a row or column, moving a control in layout, splitting cells, merging cells, working with layout, creating a static layout, creating a tabular layout, removing the layout, adjusting the tab order, and applying the theme. This is the plan for this lesson. One by one we will be going through this list of tasks. In this lesson of farm formatting basics. Introduction to controls. An access refers to control. An access refers to any item or part of a farm or report used to enter, edit, or display data. Many types and kinds of controls. There are many types and kinds of control in Microsoft Access forms. Bound controls. There are bound controls and surely there are unbound controls. Bound controls are a control whose source of data is a field in a table or query. Value can be text, dates, numbers, yes, no value, pictures, or graphs. Unbound controls, a control that doesn't have a source of data, can be text, pictures, or shapes such as lines or rectangles. Calculated controls, controls whose source of data is an expression rather than a field. An expression can be a combination of things, operators, fields, functions, etc. Calculated controls. Look at this. A calculated control can be seen like this. It is a control which is inserted in the form, and then in that control this formula is inserted. So this is a calculated control. Controls do a lot of stuff. To learn how to work with control, let's start with resizing controls. Okay, to resize the control of the form, we are going to use one of our exercise file, formatting controls, farm formatting basics, and here is the formatting control. We are going to open this database, animal content, and you can see that this is our ready-made database in which we have worked. For example, you can recognize this email contacts. As you can see there are 10,000 records. It's a huge file, and there is one query. Look at this, requiring aligning control, requiring applying theme, requiring moving control, requiring resizing control. So we are going to use the resizing control form. These are the controls. Now look at this. If we click here, it is taking us to the design view, and if we right click right here, we can see the farm view, and same way we can layout view. And the layout view, we can resize the farm. I will click my right click of mouse, and then I drag my mouse like this, and these these controls, you can see it's got smaller and it's resized. And with this, you can see that this control is a little bit wide, and if the data is here in the corner, we can remove the space of this like this. But this data is like bound in this data in this layout view, so you cannot reduce the size of one field. For example, I don't want to select any of them. If I want to reduce the size of these controls in the data side, you can see it is resized. With this, look at this layout view. This is in the design tab. In the range tab, you can see that here in the margin controls, you can see if I select this, if I go up here and I do this, and I select this layout, then I go to arrange tab and I go to this control margin, you can see it. And I can use narrow, I can use this medium, and I can use this wide. So this, you can see that the text is moving in the in its control, inside its control. If I use none, look at this, it went to its own position. So this is the way you can resize your controls. As we are familiar with resizing these controls, now we are going to learn how to move the controls. For this, we are going to place this along this form. This is you want to save. I want to save yes. And look at this form moving controls. Now look at this. This form is also made on the source of this TPL projects, and there are, look at this, the same infos in report, but we have this in a row wise form. It is a multi-item form. And look at this. So in this form view, we are not allowed to make changes to the layout and to the controls. So if we want to make changes and want to move these controls, we are going to move to the layout view. And look at this layout view, and to make the space a little bit bigger, I want to close this field list. Look at this. If I click here, or if I click here, or here, I want to insert a row. Here, insert below, and here is a new row adjusted. As I have adjusted this new row to this form, now I will be able to move control from one place to another. For example, this is the first name, the middle name, the last name, the address, and look at this. I want to move this address column. This address column is coming here. And I release my mouse. My control is shifted, and the city, I will bring the city here. The city is here now. If I make this a little wider, I want to bring these two columns as well. Here is one pixel. uh, if I want to put this value in this, look at this small value of the state is going in this very big control. So I want to bring the zip code as well here. I want the zip code also to come here in this cell under this last name. So for this I want to split this cell, split horizontally. Look at this. Now I'm going to bring this zip code here, and look at this, it's also moved. Now I have these two columns. Now for example, I want to delete this column. I will say delete column, it is gone. I will say delete city, delete column, and look at this, I will say delete this, delete column, and delete zip code column, and this birthday field I want to bring here. Now look at this, and in this birthday column, I want it to be here because it is not a recognizable date, because we can understand what date is this one, because this heading is required in order to know that this is the birthday date, and here is the telephone number, here is this content. Now look at this, let us go to far. For example, look at this, and we go down, and look at this, here is the font, and I want to make these 20, or maybe yes 20, to make the employee ID stand out. It is a huge ID. Look at this. This is the number one. So if I move to go to the design view, look at this. Here is this. The whole farm is like this. This is the data, address, city, state, zip code, telephone number. If you go to the farm view, so this is how our data look like. Well, that's how you can resize, you can move, and you can align your controls. And in the layout view, like this, I want to center this. Yes, like center. And I want to make it a little more bigger, 24. Okay, now they are great. So I want to close this file and this form, and let us do a little bit with layout view. In the layout view, we are aligning controls. Look at this. Here is a huge file with extraordinary spaces, crazy big spaces, because look at this one is right in a very big control, very big space. So for this we'll have to, we can select control like this by holding shift, and then we can select another control, and then holding shift, and then you can select another control. This is the one way of selecting these controls. But if you keep your mouse a little bit outside and go to, for example, a design view, and you keep your mouse a little bit outside, and then like this, you select the whole farm like this. It is selected, and it is, I think, the most easy way. And in the design view, in the arrange tab, in the sizing space, you can see this is already selected. If I click somewhere, it's give the selection here. Now when it is not selected, and when I come here, select one field, and I go there, this. One more, holding shift, select. Now go to arrange tab. Want to select layout. There is this way available, but let me I select it in the old method. Design it, and I select outside the farm, and then I select this whole farm and want to resize it. Resize the control. I'm going to arrange it, and here I can select 2 feet. With this, in the design tab, in the arrange tab, we can use a stake. Here, the control, and here is the data control, and this heading title. Look at this, range, size space, fit. Here, narrow list, this, that's small, and here, widest, again, shortest, again, fit, to align, here, and if I'm not happy with this, I press Ctrl Z, select this layout. Now if I go to design to arrange it, I can remove layout. If I remove the layout, then I can move these controls one by one, and it will be taking effect. Alone, one control we can change. Remove layout. Now there is a layout, and I want to click outside. Now when I click this first one, and when I smaller this way, you can see that this is now alone getting smaller. And if you want to make changes to your field one by one, some of these controls are needed in small and some of them are needed bigger, and you have to remove the layout, and you can then resize your control. And what if you want the layout again, you will have to select all your field, and then you will go to this arrange tab, and then you will see step. Now when you press the step, your field is all the way close to orientation. Now when you go to the layout view, you will see your data like this, and if you go to the farm view, Now you will see like this. Still these controls are big, so I want to make them a bit smaller according to the data inside in this control. Now this would be good, I think. Farm view, and now this is fine. If you want to move this control to the center of this farm, you will go to design view and you will pick this control from here to the center. And again, when you go to the farm view, you will see your data in the almost center of this farm. So this is how you can work with the layout. So I hope now you understand the layout. In fact, this is the layout. This 4 square mouse window. Look at this small rectangle. Look at this. This is the layout which is controlling and grouping these controls. So this way, this is the short way of making your control to fit, to tallest, to shortest, to great, to widest for one click. This is what you do with one click. And these are also the alignment of the controls. For example, if I select this left, or if I click this bottom, this is moving. It went to the farm bottom. If I go to the farm, so in Microsoft Access, when you create a farm, when you design your farm, this is what you have to do with your farm. You have to resize your control, you have to move your control, you have to align your control. I hope you understand now how to work with the layout of controls. Okay, we have worked with the layout with controls, aligning the controls. This is the data control and this is the label. Now after this we are going to open this FRM table. Now look at this FRM table control. This is the same form which we have created in creating simple form lesson, but this form is a little bit altered. And for example, if I click in the ID field, and when I press the tab, look at this, it jump to the first name and then it jump to the middle initial. But what is this? All of a sudden it jump to the city, it left the last name and it left the street address, and then it go to this, and then again it went up and again go down. So for this we need to change the tab order. This is the tab order for example. Now we are going to go to the design view, and in the format, look at this, I'm looking for tab order. Look at this. This is the tab order, and this tab order there is one column, this custom order, another is the section column, and the section we have the data header, and in the detail this is our data detail field name, and then farm footer, if there is any data in the footer it will be displayed here. Now mainly we most of the time do our feeding work with these fields. So if they are somehow out, and for example when you click in the ID, when you want to go to the next field, first name and the middle initial, and then all of a sudden it jump to the last name and it's left behind city, state and zip code, and then it comes back here. So for this purpose we need the table. If you want to change this, look at this little gray box. given every side of every field. You click this, and then from the mouse, with mouse, you pick this up, you hit it here, the birthday. This is the one way of changing that. If you know and you know your table and what is the order of these fields in your table, you will do it according to your table. If you don't know, and then you can press this auto order. Then Microsoft Access will decide for you then what is the best order suitable for you. For example, I press the auto order, and now when I click OK, and when I go to the farm view, you will see that when I press the tab key, this is ID, this is first name, this is middle initial, last name, street address, city, state, zip code, telephone number, and birthday. Look at it now, very straightforward, moving backward and moving forward. It's working. Now this is the way how you can change your tag order. Now when you are in your design and for example you want to take staff on this ID field, what you will do, you will go to the design tab, other tab and tab stop. This by default the yes is selected, but if I change it to no and I close this, and when I go to the farm view, now when I press the tab key and starting moving in my data, you will see that look at this, it does not move to the ID field, but it is straight away going to the first name, because the ID is the order number and you want to change it. So this way you can change no to the tab order that you are take when you are feeding data, if you are watching data, that your cursor should not move to that field. You can turn, you can change it, the tab stop to no. So I hope you understand this. I'm going to close this part. I don't want to save it. And themes are very important. By changing the themes of a form, by changing the appearance of the form. Look at this FRM. Apply themes. This orange color is because of this theme. If you go to the layout and you go to the design, and there are these themes. This theme is already used in this database, and there are a lot more themes which we can use to modify a form with the help of this theme. Now, if we are going to use, for example, this theme or this theme or this one, this one, if you use this one, click it and apply it. This your form is changed. Now you go to the design view. Yes. Now look, this is changed, but not only this form changed, but all the rest of the form are changed. So by default, when you apply your themes to a form, by default Microsoft Access apply that theme to all of your rest of your fields. So if you don't want to apply your thing to all of the rest of the views, then when you go to the layout view and you line view thing, you can right click on this right corner, apply the role matching objects, apply the this object only, make this thing the readability part, or add gallery vertex bar. So this is, look at this, I'm applying this theme, this object. So this is the theme you can see. Go to farm. Now look at this, all the forms change. Look at this is changed, these numbers are changed, but some of the conditional colors are not changed, which is just because of the conditional formatting, like this for example. This is here because of the conditional formatting, for which we will be talking in our future tutorial. And I hope you now know how to apply themes in your forms, how to apply themes on certain objects, how the object you want to apply in it, and that's how some basic things we can use in Microsoft Access. So here are some key terms you should know. Control and access refer to any item or part of a form or report used to enter, edit, or display data. Form control. A control whose source of data is a field in a table of field will take text, data, dates, numbers, yes, no, value, pictures, or graphs. Unbound control. A control that doesn't have a source of data can be text, picture, or shape such as lines and rectangles. Calculated control. A control whose source of data is an expression rather than a field. An expression can be a combination of things or vectors, fields, function, etc. So what we have covered in this course so far. So we have received an introduction to control in this lesson. We have resized the controls. We know how to move the control now, and we know the layout view. We can add, delete, or a row or column in the layout view, moving a control in the layout view, splitting cells and merging cells, working with layouts, creating a stand layout, creating a tabular layout, removing the layout, adjusting the tab order, applying the themes. So with this, I hope guys you can understand now much better about the formatting of basics. So I hope you would like this video, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, because I need subscriptions. So see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.